On last week's episode, I met up with Colin and crew from Parlay Revival, and I introduced them to eating the raw heart and guts of a fish. You heard right, people. That's raw heart and guts.
Who wants to eat the heart?
There is some fish guts juice right there, people.
Still beating? No.
No, it's not. Anyone want to try it?
Stephanie.
Oh.
It's really good.
Hey, I'm beautiful.
Wow, you're brave. Just try it.
It was a great success, so I thought I'd see if they would eat raw fish sperm. Oh, sperm, people.
You want some sperm, cameraman?
I'm good, man.
Raw sperm.
There are about 10 mouthfuls, I reckon, of it from that one fish alone.
That's a load and a half.
Jesus. That's a lot of sperm.
You talking to me or the fish?
But no one wanted to try.
Is this a male dog or female dog? They're both males. Not that will make a difference.
Not to worry though, Colin's dogs
He
loved
likes
it.
Look at this. Jesus.
All right, we're off to the caves, the little caves.
Yes!
Yeah. So, what's your expectations today, Jay?
Hopefully I can finally shoot a fish.
Yeah.
Yesterday I saw, they were out having fun. I'm still a little Sally because I can't hold my breath that long to go under a cave. But I'm working on it. But yesterday I saw a really big stingray. And it'd be cool to get really close and get a sweet photo.
Well, you saw tiburon too.
Yeah, I saw a bunch of tiburones, sharks. So it would be nice to shoot a fish today, or lobster since they don't really move, so it's pretty easy to shoot those. And yeah, just see some more awesome aquatic life.
Yeah, okay, and we do some swim throughs again today. You just want to kill.
Yes, I want to do the 25 meters one again.
Yeah,
it was really awesome.
Do you want to try and go through the 25 at the start and then keep on going and see how far you can get? Go all the way through to the tunnel?
Yes, we can try, like doing it the other way around, you mean?
Yeah, doing the other way around.
Yeah, and see
and
how
then
far
you've
we
got
go.
plenty of little spots to come up.
Yes, let's do that.
Okay, we can try that.
And I also want to hand feed the shark.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
All right, so we'll do that. All right.
Yes.
Well, I'm looking forward to it. Now, remember, girls, you've got to, whenever you're looking at me, you've got to look at me in love and admiration. So everyone watching thinks I'm really cool, and you know, I'll get my support.
He said-
They know
He
that
says
we
that-
don't love you.
He says that to the camera, but then he says to us,
Oh, yeah.
be yourself.
Yeah, but hang on, girls,
Or
just
feeling.
edit that bit out, that bit I just told you, okay? So, all right. Now remember, everyone smile and pretend you're having fun, okay? You got to look at me and Colin with a look of love and admiration, so people think we're cool. Got quite a turnout, people. All the fish are going to be terrorised. I'm just going to go help and film, I think.
Now, because I have to get the anchor and everyone ready and into the water, I am always last in the water and have to chase them from behind. It's just the person I am, people, caring and sharing. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Let's have some fun. Now for the big tunnel. Let's see how the parlay crew go with this big tunnel. Oh no, we lost one. But don't you worry, here comes two more. And now for a little swim through with Jay. She's only a beginner at this sort of stuff, so she is just getting over her fears. I mean, cave breath diving, come on people, it's a crazy thing to do. So she's really completely normal.
Excellent. All right. This is how Colin's magic is made. I did notice that the sophistication is, you know, I was going to say a smidgen above mine, but yeah, time that smidgen by about 1 billion. I mean, he's doing all these fancy things in the right-hand corner I've never even seen before, people. It's another level. It's another level.
Take care of yourself.
Lady, stop it, stop it. I don't need hugs.
Bye, buddy. Thanks for feeding us.
Take it easy.
Well, I got one lady hug.
Yeah, you as well.
It's better than nothing, people. I tried for you guys, but you know.
This is my second time driving the baby.
We'll get out of your way. Bye, Parlay Revival.
Dolphins! Don't scare them!
And there, people, goes Colin, Parlay Revival. Will we meet again? One does not know. But the world is a small place when you're sailing hither and thither. Till next time, Colin, we bid you a good day. Just dropping the lovely Stephanie off to her boat. Well, it's not her boat. It's this boat or not this boat?
It looks like they're ready to accept you though. They're like, come on over.
That's how I just meet new people every day. Like, just hop on in.
Hey, check this out, people. We've been invited on another boat. This is 2 good boats in a day. I don't think the girls will want to go back. Oh, please, girls. People, Basil. My goodness.
There's
This is
life
great.
in this boat.
Lovely people invited us on board. And this guy here, Drew, he recognised me, people. Wow, this is good. How good is this?
Who wants a beer?
Oh,
What?
is the Pope a Catholic?
Something cold because our
Thank you. Here's to
Thank you so much.
sharing the love.
It's nice to have something cold. Other than the shower.
I could get used to this. This is quite good.
If I have Italian pasta, I would say I bought it for like 8 minutes, but like the pasta that we buy here, I bought it for like 3 minutes, and then I put it in the sauce, and then I keep adding the water that I use.
Water.
Yes.
That's a really cool idea.
And like
Well, it's
every time
magnificent.
it's like
It's magnificent.
this pasta is not ready, and I'm like, Peter, I have to do it this way, you know, like it's the proper way to
Okay,
cook
number
pasta.
one. In my defence, I did that once.
No, you did that 3
Okay,
times.
twice. Okay,
times.
Okay, 3
Oh my
times.
gosh, we just ate so much.
Yeah.
Like a huge fish fry. He caught a bit.
Isn't this nice, people?
Like literally
Lovely.
this big.
Diamonds.
Oh no! No! Yes, cold, clear, mythical, magical rocks. I've never heard it before. It's magic. Hey girls, what do you think of the Doritos? See, I told you. I honestly do feed these girls, but
Give them a little bit of
only,
water too.
but only when they do a good episode.
Cold water.
There more wine?
The ones don't do
That's the last of the water.
So I don't get paid. It's just I get to live on the boat.
I did say for them to bring comfort food, and Jay bought 1 packet of chips.
I mean, but
For 6
why
weeks.
did I do that? I had.
We don't need to go into details. She's going to say this elaborate story that she had to buy all of the groceries, which she did. Which
10 kilos of avena.
did you supply 10 kilos of
And then I
avena?
come and he's like, you're missing 3 kilos. I'm like, I sacrificed 3 kilos for the Dorito bag. And I still didn't bring the amount of Doritos I wanted to bring.
And I was
We're
displeased,
literally eating
people.
like 5 Cheetos and we're like, okay, put them away, we have 5 weeks left.
5 weeks and 1
And I'm
packet
like,
of
can we please
Doritos.
ask Gala
Top stuff.
for, nice to meet everybody, I'm gonna give hugs. That's just how we are.
We're saying goodbye to our fans. We're going to go do some stuff. Everyone wants to do something. I'm going to go for a kite.
Thank you so much for inviting us over.
Should be good.
Thank you.
Oh, Dazza might even put up the drone. Take pictures. All right.
gonna make the magic happen tomorrow.
Yeah. Make the magic. Hey, that's what I say.
Do you?
Yeah, this is how I make the magic.
I didn't know that.
But usually when it's really pathetic, yep, that's the magic, people.
I'm like the Dave Copperfield magic.
I don't know what that is.
A magician, a famous magician.
Oh, okay. No, there's no real magic on my show.
I don't think it's ever real magic.
Actually, the only magic is, I'm still running. The channel's still up and going. That's the real magic. I mean, I don't know how that happened.
That's magic, man.
Au revoir, people. See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Like, subscribe, comment, share the videos around to your mates.
Hallelujah.